Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 17th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the daily time frame. So, if you've been seeing my videos, you know that I think this move up could possibly still be a crutch into this move down. I still think that we could go to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels and continue the higher time frame downtrend. But we definitely do not have any reason to start looking for shorts yet. Yesterday was a very volatile day, but it never engulfed down. It never did anything whatsoever to cause us to think that this move up was over yet. So the market on the daily time frame, roadmap time frame, is definitely still telling us to look for longs. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right now at the top of a move. But if I saw a 1, 2, 3 way pullback, 1, 2, 3 way pullback, even that big giant move we had yesterday was a 1, 2, 3 way pullback with a higher high for the wave C. So those are the type of trades I'm looking for. Definitely not looking to get long right now. Definitely not looking to get short based on the higher time frames. I will be waiting patiently for more 3 way pullbacks to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked over here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.